Good morning students. In last video we discussed about Shung dynasty. After that Karna dynasty came and after Shunga dynasty, but this dynasty could not rule for long. Shimuk, who is considered as first ruler of Satvahana dynasty, dethroned the ruler of Karna dynasty and sat on throne and established Satvahana dynasty. Who established Satvahana dynasty? Shimuk. Shimuk was the person, and after him, his brother Kanha. Sometimes his name was called as Krishna as well. So his brother Kanha succeeded the throne. After Kanha, Satkarni first ruled over South India, and his dynasty was Satvahana dynasty. Satvahana dynasty was also known as Andhra dynasty because its area was in between Godavari and Krishna valley, river valleys, Godavari and this Krishna. Between both of river valleys, the land it was ruled by Satvahan dynasty. Now we will proceed to Satvahan dynasty. A person named Simuk founded the Satvahan dynasty in Andhra in the valleys of Krishna and Godavari rivers about in 60 BC. 60 BC में सिमुक ने सतवाहना डायनेस्टी की शुरुआत की और इस डायनेस्टी को आंध्रा एंड सतवाहना दोनों नामों से जाना जाता है. Simuk's tenure is considered up to 37 BC. After him, Satkarni first extended the power and empire of Satvahana dynasty. सिमुक और कान्हा ने इतना वास्ट एम्पायर नहीं किया था जितना कि सतकर्णी फर्स्ट ने शुरुआत करी. इवन सतकर्णी फर्स्ट डिड द अश्वमेधा यज्ञ. अश्वमेध यज्ञ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन प्रीवियस वीडियो and established his universal power over whole South India. His capital was Pratishthan Nagari, located at the bank of Godavari river. Now Pratishthan Nagari is known as Pathan, which is near Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. The power of Satvahana weakened after the death of Satkarni first and due to attacks of Sakas. Sakas were in northwestern side of Satvahana dynasty. They started attacking on Satvahana dynasty area after Satkarni first. This is Satvahana empire in between Godavari and Krishna river, and from here Kshatrap, Western Kshatrap or Saka dynasty regularly attacked after the death of Satkarni first. That time when Satvahana dynasty was there, Kushan empire was also in northwestern side of India. We will discuss later about Kushan empire, Kushan dynasty. So Satvahana dynasty was weakened after death of Satkarni first. Then Sakas came to Satvahana empire area and occupied it. Then again the 23rd ruler of Satvahana dynasty, Satkarni's son Gautami, destroyed the power of Western Kshatrap and re-established the power, prosperity and rule of his own dynasty. He was named as Satkarni II or Gautami Putra Satkarni. Pulumavi, son of Vashishti, married with the daughter of Rudradaman. Rudradaman snatched from his all those part of land which he conquered by defeating Western Kshatrap. Yagyashri, the 27th ruler of Satvahana dynasty, again recontrolled some parts of land from Ujjaini Kshatrap and re-established the fame of his own dynasty. बार बार कभी सतवाहना डायनेस्टी अपनी पावर में आ जाती थी और कभी क्षत्रप उनके ऊपर कंट्रोल कर लेते थे. ज़्यादातर यही हुआ कि सतवाहना डायनेस्टी ने कंट्रोल कर लिया. 23rd and 27th ruler of Satvahana dynasty were very famous, or Satkarni first was famous. And among three of them, 23rd ruler of Satvahana dynasty was very famous as Gautami Putra Satkarni. He was a very well established ruler and also famous. He established the peace within the South India and also controlled and resist the invaders which were coming from western side of India. 27th ruler of Satvahana dynasty again recontrolled some parts of land from Ujjaini's Kshatrap and re-established the fame of his own dynasty. He introduced many currencies, out of which some were marked with the figures of ships. करेंसीज पे शिप्स बने हुए थे. तो करेंसीज पे शिप्स बने हुए होने से ये अंदाज़ा लगाया जाता था कि जो इनका ट्रेड है या इनका एम्पायर है, इट वाज एक्सटेंडेड अप टू द सी एरिया. All kings of this dynasty were the followers of Hinduism. हिंदू रिलीजन को मानते थे. They established वैदिक यजनास एंड वर्णा सिस्टम. उन्होंने उसी तरह से फॉलो किया पूरा वेदों के हिसाब से यज्ञ करना, वेदों को पढ़ना, वर्ण सिस्टम को मानना, जो भी समाज में जिस तरह से भी रहा जाता था उसको फॉलो किया. एंड स्ट्रगल्ड continuously with foreign Yavans and Chakas. They gave grants and prabhus to Bodh and Jain विहार. बौद्धिज़्म और जैनिज़्म इनके जो फॉलोअर्स थे उनको भी उन्होंने ग्रांट दी और उन्होंने उनके लिए चैत्य और विहार भी बनवाए. कॉमर्स एंड ट्रेड, एग्रीकल्चर एंड अदर इंडस्ट्रीज गॉट स्पेशल एनकरेजमेंट ड्यूरिंग their period, and coins of silver, copper, lead and bronze were issued. They only started giving land in the form of grants. वो उन्होंने ब्राह्मणों को दान में ज़मीनें देना उनके ही डायनेस्टी से शुरू हुआ था. Satvahana rulers built many chaityas and viharas in western Deccan. Among them, Chaitya of Karle is very famous because 40 meter long and 50 meter high. Its area was very big and it is very beautiful architecture is there. This Chaitya is the marvelous example of architecture. बहुत बढ़िया और बहुत बड़ा बना हुआ है ये. Let me show you the picture of this Karle Chaitya. Regarding this Karle Chaitya, very short question ये भी आ सकता है, इसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन भी आ सकता है, किसने बनवाया भी आ सकता है, किस डायनेस्टी के टाइम में बनवाया, ऐसा भी क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. तो इनका ध्यान रखिए. ये जो छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं उनके ऊपर आपको ध्यान देना होगा. कितना लंबा था, ये कितना ऊंचा था, ये सारा डिटेल जो है वो आपको याद करना होगा. आफ्टर सतवाहना डायनेस्टी वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट गुप्ता एम्पायर इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आप तब तक इसकी नोट्स बनाइए और वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्रिपेयर रहिए. थैंक यू.